Do you want to reduce your acne scar? Well, in teenage, we see a lot of acne coming on our skin due to the hormonal shift. These acne can be in the form of papule, pustules, comedones, and whiteheads, or in the nodulocystic form. Sometimes these acne leaves a very unpleasant memories behind in the form of acne scars. There are different types of acne scars that appears on our skin, like the box scars that is having a more depth and the edges are more sharp. It looks like a box. Ice pick scar that is round, very small, narrowing down the skin. It's just like a cone but very difficult to manage. Third is the rolling scar. This scar varies in the depth. Edges are also slopy, giving a very uneven and wavy appearance to the skin. Every doctor has a different approach to deal with the scars. We believe in going for the combination procedures like microneedling, subcisions, and PRP injections. So first we start with the microneedling. With the microneedling, we use a very fine needles and create a tiny injury on the skin that helps in the production of the collagen and also helps in the healing process of the tissue. So with the cannula, you break the fibrous bands that pulls the scar down. We break it and makes the scar lift up, and it decreases depression of the scar. And then my favorite is the PRP. What we do is we inject the PRP that is made from your own blood beneath the skin and also sometimes apply it on your face. What it does is it improves in the collagen production, it helps in the tissue repair and remodel your acne scar. So this is how you can get rid of the acne scars. You can follow for more such content.